Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. A beloved flower for fall landscaping and outdoor decorations, chrysanthemums or the shortened mums as they are more commonly known are affordable and easy to grow. They bloom in a beautiful array of colors that complement the changes of late summer into autumn. You might know chrysanthemums or mums as a many-petaled flower found all over the world in garden beds or flower pots. Chrysanthemum blooms range from pale yellow to bright red with some purple and white varieties. Chrysanthemums are also edible and have been used for medical purposes for thousands of years. Last year we had given a video about how to make chrysanthemum tea. We had also told about its benefits. We'll also upload a video on about how you can use this chrysanthemum flower on your skin care and hair care. But today's video will be about how you can take care of your chrysanthemum to bring them back to life. In the last video of chrysanthemum, you already knew that these chrysanthemum flowers have been blooming from the first week of December. And today is the second week of January. Right now the flowers plant's condition is like this. In today's video we will tell you about the tips on how you can bloom these chrysanthemums for some more time. While some flowers thrive with consistent pruning, mums do not. Occasional deadheading is beneficial for both containers and those in the garden bed. For deadheading, make sure to watch out for flowers which turn brown or have a dried out appearance. Then use your fingers or a fresh pair of scissors to pinch off the head. After pinching and pruning all of the dried flowers, my mom is now collecting all the dried leaves. After deadheading or pinching or pruning all of the dried leaves or flowers, now you need to take care about the fertilizing. Mums can turn brown if the soil is lacking adequate nutrients. They are considered heavy feeders that need lots of supports. So during this flowering, make sure to give good amount of kitchen waste compost or any kind of organic fertilizer. After this, you need to notice that your plant does not get any kind of pest attacks. These are three common offenders of mums. They are aphids, spider mites and leaf miners. So time to time check your plant, and if it has any kind of pest attack, make sure to spray bioenzyme solution or neem oil spray. How to make bioenzyme or its uses are already uploaded in our channel, so make sure to go into the playlist and watch the videos. If we do proper deadheading, all the birds that are yet to bloom will get enough kind of sunlight or minerals and they will soon bloom. And your plant will give flowers for a much longer time. And because of so much pollution in Delhi, we wash our leaves very often. So while you are also washing your leaves, make sure to wash the both sides, the upper side of the leaf and the lower side of the leaf. We have a lot of benefits of these chrysanthemum dry flowers. Like one you already know is chrysanthemum tea. It has lots of health benefits. But today my mom will not use any of these dry leaves or dry flowers for making any kinds of tea. Today she just put them in the composting bin. This is the best fertilizer for your plants. after deadheading, your plants will also fill up flowers like these. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.